all the other training schools and their respective teams under the leadership of your entire team, the new soldiers here and in the other 5 locations, and his staff, we have achieved something commendable today. That we have concurrent activities taking place, and in a way we will save the time not only for our president but for all those who have been required to go to all those different schools. So well done and congratulations. We have luncheon.
Command, Serakasenyi, Samora Machel, Special Forces School, Kaweta, Nakasongola, Amilcar Cabral Airborne School, 3 Infantry Division Training School, Olim, 5 Infantry Division Training School, Labordong, district and local government leaders here present, senior officers and men, the young soldiers who are ready to graduate today. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Your Excellency, uninvited guests, today's graduation function of our military recruits is not an ordinary one for many reasons. First, in terms of the record number of those that are graduating, a big number, one that we usually do not present here, and the rest participating virtually through the screens that you've been seeing. Third, the direct participation of half a dozen military schools that I mentioned when I was going through the protocol. All these schools have nurtured these young Ugandans into warriors ready for battle. They have
The third one is recruit Nawanga Dokas, trained from Olim Training School, female age 27 years, and she was recruited from Boikwe district. Her level of education is Bachelor's degree of Science in Management. The fourth one is recruit Lonyela Sande Benjamin, trained from Labodong Training School, male age 21 years, and was recruited from Namusindwa district. His level of education from Fort Samora Machel Training School, Waza. The sixth one, Kapchorwa district. His level of education is certificate in painting, design, and decorating. The second